everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. You may notice a massive difference here in our yard. I told the girls, and this is hilarious, yesterday afternoon I told the girls if we clear this path out and put away all the wood and stack it up so that we can get the truck in here, we'll go get pizza for dinner. Well, 4.5 face cord we got stacked up on the row on the wood line. It is incredible. 4.5 face cord. That's what pizza, guys. Pizza will get the work done. There's the trick right there. We worked hard. We knocked out all that huge pile. And then today we brought in another, but I'll come back to that. We worked. We've got some that need to be split right there. We got to come back to that yet later. And some kindling. Look at this row of firewood. We have now 6 full cord of firewood put in so far this year. I think this is the most we have ever had in one time. And it's half of what I want yet. It's only half, but it's hard to get an overview of that long wood pile. It's so hard to get a view, but we have 6 full cord of firewood stacked. So yeah, I want at least twice that because I want to have enough for this year now and enough for next year as well. Let me try to get a view of that. All the way from there over to there. That's 2 rows of firewood, about 6 feet tall, 6.5, 6 feet tall. So it's a start, but we're going to keep going. Now let me show you. We brought in, the reason we pushed and did all that and got it done, and I'll show you why over here. We brought in another load of big stuff today. And there's this trunk of the tree is 2 to 3 times that size. That's just one branch. But we brought in this load today. And what we want to do is continue putting wood to be split by the log splitter for winter work. Once the snow is on the ground, we can run the log splitter. I'll probably have a tarp on this or something. And we want to be able to drive the truck in from now on and drop off the wood in its appropriate piles. We got some more over here on this side for splitting in the winter months. And this is some others we had got earlier this year. And there's some we got to process. That's all poplar we've got to process. And a little bit more picking to do here in this pile. And some kindling and stuff. So I figure we have about 3 to 5 full cord in the front and backyard still to be processed. So we're looking better this year than ever before. And well, I'll give you an overview. There's some limbs and branches to be cut up. And then we've got a very generous pile here that need to be processed. It's a lot, and it's going to be more and more and more because I'm not going to waste any time splitting firewood right now when we can be hauling in more and more and more every day. Well guys, today we cleared a path outside the fence line all the way down. Look at how beautiful and clean that is. Now we can drive along the fence line and cameras can better see along the fence line, and then I'll show you what we did. We got another face cord of firewood on the truck, and we were able to throw it over the fence, right to where we need it. So work smart and not hard. So now I just gotta start stacking these ones that are in a way, put down another pallet, and keep on going. So we'll be able to drive the truck right to where the wood is needed. And that is cool. So multi-purpose having that row cleared outside the fence line. Hey guys, I've been busy. It's a slow job because that is so awkward up there in the air. I'm putting on skirting, or what do you call it? putting boards up, and then I'll put the siding on top of that. I'm going to have it enclosed and have a roof on tonight. Now what I'm using here is 1x13s. That's 13 inches wide by inch thick, and that gives me a bit of a stable overhang. And then I've got exterior grade plywood that's going on top. So I had to go cut another piece. The plywood's prepared. It's just been a slow grinding day to get this done because of the height and just for safety and how far I'm dragging the parts over. I was gonna cut here, but it's not working like that. Anyway, progress. I'm happy. Well, I got all but one piece on the end piece right there. I am double layering real pine boards with plywood on top, and that's my roof. I'll have metal on top of that. Right now, it's getting late. I got to put a lot of tools away. It's going to rain tonight, and I am very unsure about my ladder and how I'm going to do that. I might actually have to frame a piece of wall in on the front so I have something to lean the ladder on to get up there, because right now I don't feel comfortable with it like that, trying to reach over and put that last piece on. And I do have to clean up, so that's it. So, well, a little bit of progress today. I don't know what you can see. It shows. That's it for today. Melanie's been processing some chickens the old-fashioned way. I love that. Fresh, organic chicken. Fresh as can be. That is what they look like on their feet. It is a beefy bird. Sorry about the shakiness. I'm zoomed in. They're a little nervous because of what happens. This one was the friendliest one, and we all chose this one to keep, and we're gonna breed it. It's like, it must be a dual purpose. I don't know exactly, because we got all of these at Tractor Supply, and then some. I don't know where the rest are on clearance. So, but there is a female to that, and they are big, big, big chickens. They waddle, they're so heavy. They're almost like meat birds, and they grow almost as fast. They're only 3 months old, and solid, strong birds. Anyway, we're going to keep this one and his mate for breeding for next year, because we'll never have to buy meat birds again. That is awesome. Well, guys, just got back from the sawmill. These were very, 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 very wet and heavy, so I got a discount. None of them are crooked, though, so I got a good deal, though. A nice mess of lumber. We're going to be able to finish our gates, all the gates, and I need a few more pieces for my watchtower, and we're going to build a fully insulated 2x4 framed doghouse. So we've got all the lumber we need. I'm going to have to sticker it. I'm going to use the dry stuff for the doghouse first today, but that'll be a separate, complete video in its own because it's unique, 2x4 and insulated. Anyway, I'm going to get this video up to you and get you your summary at the end of the week, as I said. Please do like this video and leave a comment below. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. A week on the homestead is past.